So you've landed an interview at a Mang company. That's fantastic news. But maybe you're thinking, okay, Mang is kind of a big deal. Where do I even get started with that kind of interview? That's where our interview prep comes in. Let me walk you through it. Forget generic LeetCode grinding. This path is personalized to get you exactly what you need. Notice how we're currently in week 1, and I'm going to focus specifically on the 2 pointers pattern. So by grouping problems like sort colors and valid word abbreviation by the underlying technique, you can master concepts conceptually. There are also little cues that show you what problems are important for what company and how much. So for example, for valid word abbreviation, you can see that it's a pretty important problem for Meta, but not so much for Google. And so you can align your prep according to the company you're targeting. When you're working on a problem, the integrated environment is built for deep work. You can step through your code, test as you go, and if you're stuck on a concept, you can quickly just jump over to the Ask tab and ask it to clarify things for you. For example, I want to know how does the Python isDigit function work? And I can just ask and get a context-specific answer instead of going through the documentation. Once you tackle the problem, the feedback is immediate and actionable. So for example, after finishing sort colors, you can see my stats right there. Also, take a look at the My Proficiency tracker. It's instantly updated from beginner to intermediate. And I can see detailed feedback for this kind of pattern by clicking on the View Feedback button. This kind of visible growth across all domains, coding, API design, system design, behavioral, is the core of this personalized preparation loop. The best part though is how this all rolls up. Once you've practiced all of these patterns, the See Report button gives you a clear, honest snapshot of where you stand. So for example, maybe 2 pointers is now ready for interview, but sliding window still needs work. This lets you train strategically, turning your uncertainty into a clear step-by-step roadmap. By following this kind of adaptive roadmap, you'll walk into that interview knowing you can ace it. If all of this looks good to you, you can head over to educative.io/interview now to try it out.